Welcome back to the channel. We have this M2 back in again for another round of upgrades. Today we're going to be looking at the interior of the car and we're going to be upgrading the seats. We're going to be replacing these factory seats with some amazing Tillet B10 XL seats with the carbon fiber finish on them as well. So what we're going to do is obviously remove the factory seats, install the Tillet seats with all the necessary components and walk you through the whole entire process step by step. If you're looking for a similar package as what we're going to install in this car, you can head to the description where we have the specific G87 M2 setup available for you to order now. But for now, let's get the car in the workshop. Let's start removing the factory seats from the car and have the Tillet side by side so we can explain some of the differences. Okay, so just seen us build up the Tillett B10 XL. We've got it all here with the base frames, the runners, which allows it to be moved backwards and forwards, and the side mounts, and then the seat itself. Obviously, the seat itself is significantly lighter than this complete assembly. And what we want to do is show you a true comparison side by side of just how low the weight is of a fully built up Tillet seat with this particular assembly that we've gone for. So this seat has come in with all of the gubbins underneath it at about 26 kilos. And then this setup right here has dropped the weight down by almost half. So we're at about 13.2 kilos with the seat fully built up, and that is with the padding as well. So obviously on the car, when we have the two seats fitted, you're gonna be dropping the weight by as much as a full single seat from the factory. So it's like removing a seat from the car essentially. So big weight drop, which is obviously going to improve the car in a lot of different situations. Other benefits of the Tillet seats are going to hold you in the seat much better because they've got much higher side support. And the way you sit in the seat as well, they elongate out your back in your spine. So they actually improve the comfort over time, especially on the circuit as well. You don't really get as much pain in sort of like the lower back bum area on like long journeys that a lot of customers suffer with. So a lot lower weight, a lot better holding yourself in the seat as well, and obviously looks a lot more stylish, and the carbon fiber finish will go with all the other carbon fiber accents we've got on the car already. So all we got to do now, get these seats fitted to the car, and we're looking forward to showing what they look like at the end of the video. So you've seen the install, let's see what the finished piece looks like. Starting off on the wheels, we fitted the Titan 7 forged titanium wheel nut kit. So this is much lighter than your steel nuts. They won't corrode as well like the steel nuts do, and they look absolutely phenomenal. Customer originally wanted to go for the black ones, but after seeing the raw titanium, which is what we've got fitted now in the car, absolutely love it. And I think it really sets off the wheel really nicely, especially when you've got black wheels. I think you need something in the middle that sort of sets it off. And then we've got the bullnose studs on there as well, and they look a lot better than what was on there before. And then on the front of the car, you saw us fit the Eventuri carbon fiber strut base, so replacing that ugly OEM strut brace, and this looks absolutely incredible. The customer's got a lot of carbon fiber accents in the engine bay. The only other item that he's got coming is then the scuttle panel, which will get that replaced as well when the time comes. And then let's have a look at the main reason why the customer was here, and that was the Tillet seats on the inside. So we're in the interior, and the main reason for coming here was the Tillet seat upgrade. Obviously, we've got carbon everywhere else on the car, but we had nothing in the interior to match the aesthetic that was going on. So the customer opted for the Tillet B10 XLs with the carbon fiber on top, and then to match the M colorway on the inside, we've also got that stitching throughout as well. So looks a lot better on the inside with the carbon fiber, with the stitching. And then also with regards to obviously holding you in the seat, the Tillet seat is going to hold you much better. So you're not going to slide out of the seat like on the OEM seats, or even submerge on the OEM seats. And also the customers sat in the car today as well and said how much more comfy these seats are. You really have to try these seats. I think they don't necessarily look comfortable, but once you sit in them and experience them, it's a whole nother game in terms of comfort. We've actually got these in stock in our Southampton workshop, where you can actually come and sit and test out the B10 XL or even the B6 before you want to go ahead and order these. So if you want to do that, obviously come down to the Southampton workshop, have a little sit in it, and let us know what you think. On these seats, we've retained the forwards and backwards movement on the sliders as well, so you can move it forwards and backwards, and then you've got the like incline or decline on the back of the seat, so we can customize it to how exactly you want. And we did that seat fitting earlier on with the customer, still retaining the OEM seat belts as well. So all the OEM seat belts work. You don't have to bin off your OEM seat belts, and there's no sort of like airbag or seatbelt warning lights on the dash either with the coding that we used. So that's pretty much everything that we did to this car. If you're looking for any of these elements, we've got all the links to the products in the description. And obviously, if you want to have a build like this done by us in Southampton, then just get in contact with our team. But for now, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.